Game here. I got this in the dollar store, only $2.50. It's the F-16, part of the Flying Thunderbirds, which is the demo group. It's the Air Force version of the Blue Angels. And I'll open this up. The package is the same as before. Here it is. It's a pullback. See, look at this. F-16. The Thunderbirds colors. And why do they have a France marking there and there, and a France marking there and there? That's strange. Other than that, it looks like the Thunderbird. They wouldn't have a French marking there. It looks like they smudged the paint a bit, but that's okay. It's good. It looks like F-16, except for the sidewinders. They don't really look like sidewinders, but that's good. It's really good. You can pull it back and it goes fast. I like it. It's made in China. Bubble canopy. This was a very advanced fighter for the time it came out. It was fly-by-wire, and it replaced a lot of other fighter jets. This is in the Thunderbirds group. They'll probably keep this for a while in the Thunderbirds. And yeah, I just wanted to show you this F-16. This is what it looks like plastic piece of metal there falling apart, paint's chipping off on its own. I didn't do that. Well, just wanted to show you this. This is all for me for right now. It's Kyle, my gamer. Something else. Please subscribe and hit the like button.